Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display shop average rating using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to display all product average rating using custom code. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. So we are going to display shop average rating for all product. Now create custom snippet section, open, scroll down, you can add title, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see title, star average, shop average rating. So you can customize this text according to your requirement. So we are going to display shop average rating. Scroll down, you see insert method, select shortcode and then you see shortcode. Please save the snippet first. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Scroll down, in shortcode section you see code. Now copy, go to page where you want to display. Now paste and then click on update. Now page updated done. Go to page and refresh the page. So we are going to display shop average rating. Now you see 4.5 by 5 star average shop average rating. In code you can customize this title according to your requirement. So this is our shop average rating for all product. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.